Hi guys, my name is Dmitry and today I decided to record short video and teach you guys how to use XPath to find different elements on the pages for test automation for Selenium WebDriver. So today I will show you how I built my XPath, how I can verify if the XPath is correct, if it returns one or more than one elements, and we'll show you the formula which you can apply to build the same XPath for any different element. So first of all, I have this page opened in Chrome browser, and let's right click on this login page and create simple XPath for this login page. So right click, select inspect, and here we see elements tab in developer tools. As we see here, we have a button element with class radius type submit, and another I element with class and some letters in this class. So let's build XPath for this button element. So how let's build this XPath here in this username field, and then I will show you how to verify. So first of all, we will start with 2 forward slashes. This means to start looking for the element anywhere on the page. If we will start with one single forward slash, it will start from here, from the root of the page source, from the HTML element. But since we are not starting from the root, that's why we need to put 2 double slashes. Next, we need to put tag name of our element. So in this case, it's button. Actually, this already is supposed to work. I don't think there is another button on this page. So to verify if your XPath is correct, let's switch to console here, console tab, and type next $x open bracket, open double quote, and paste your XPath. Close double quote and close bracket and push enter. It gives us one element, so only one button on this page was found with this XPath. And it's easy to use, it's easy to build this XPath for the button element because we have only one button on this page. But if we switch to some other page where we also have buttons, and if we try the same XPath here, let's copy this XPath and verification code from this page to this page, the internet.herokuapp.com/javascript_alert. And if we try it here, we get in this number 3 and then button. So we have 3 buttons with this XPath. So we can, if we are working with Selenium WebDriver and want to click on one of these buttons, this simple double forward slash button will not work because it will return 3 elements on this page. Let's switch back to our login page, to elements, and let's find the XPath for this username field. So this is input element. Again, if we will try the same and input instead of button, we will get 2 elements, input username and input password. If we want to get just one, well, if we will use this XPath to type some text in the username field, it will work because Selenium always takes first XPath from the list. But if we will want to type password in this field and we'll use this XPath, it will still go and type whatever you want into username instead of password. So to build XPath specifically for the password field, let's switch here. Let's inspect our password input element. And as we see, there is type password, name password, ID password. So let's assume there is no name or ID, because if there is name or ID, you can use driver find element by name or find element by ID. It's going to be easier. But let's assume there is no name and ID, and you need to use XPath to find this input element with just type password. So what we can do, so how XPath work, let's use this field for example. So 2 double slashes, input, and inside of the square brackets, if we using some attribute, we need to start with at symbol. So at and then attribute name, and our attribute name is type, equals, and then in single quotes our attribute value. Let's paste it here. So this time we're looking for the input element anywhere on the page where type attribute equals to password. So let's copy this XPath, switch to console, and let's verify. So $X, open brackets, open double quotes, paste our XPath to verify and push enter. And as you see, with this XPath, you are getting one element on this page, and this is correct element. If we hover over this element, you see that this is our password field. So this is the simplest way to build XPath, and it's a simple rule. 2 forward slashes, tag name, and in square brackets, at attribute equals value. So this is basically the simplest formula to build XPath for any element, if you have attribute and value. Now, there are also maybe two same attributes with the same value. For example, this div element with this class and this div element with this class. So sometimes it may not work like this. So for example, let's build XPath for this div element. So instead of input, let's put div. Instead of type, we're gonna use class attribute, and for the value, let's copy this class value and replace password with this value. And so copy this full XPath, switch to console, up arrow to return previous command, remove our XPath and paste our new XPath and push enter. So this time we use this rule to build XPath, but we're still getting 2 XPath. So this simple way to build this XPath still may not always work for you to find the specific one element, but this way to build XPath is not the only one. There are much more different rules how to build XPath and basically find any element anywhere on the page. So I am recording this short video as the promotion of my XPath locators for Selenium course. This is also short, just 1 hour long course. I just created it and posted on YouTube. And in this course, I just created it and posted on Udemy. And in this course, you will learn not just this simple formula, but also you will learn how to use different operators in XPath, like OR, AND operator, to use 2 different XPath to combine them in one XPath, how to use parent elements, child elements of the locators on the page. So basically you find one element, but then you move to its parents or grandparent or child to find different elements. So basically with this short course, you will be able to find absolutely any element on any web page. So if you are working as a test automation engineer and want to learn XPath, you will need this course. And also, so instead of paying full price, well, it's not even full price right now on Udemy. They have promotion 45% off, but I will give you coupon how to get this course for just $9.99. So if you are interested, here's the coupon code to get this course for $9.99. Also, I have two more courses on the Udemy: Selenium WebDriver for beginners and Selenium WebDriver testing framework from scratch with Java. So Selenium WebDriver for beginners will teach you how to build simple, how to start from nothing and build very simple framework to start test automation with Selenium, Java, Maven, and TestNG. And this course, Selenium WebDriver Testing Framework from scratch, will teach you how to expand this framework and build really cool, easy to maintain, advanced test automation framework also with TestNG, Java, and Maven. And here's also discount codes to get both these two, Selenium WebDriver for beginners and Selenium WebDriver testing framework from scratch, for $9.99. So if you are interested, please go sign up, take the course, ask me question. If you will have any question during the course, I will be happy to answer. And of course, if you like it, leave me nice comment, nice review. And I hope some of you guys will be interested and will sign up. And I hope seeing you in my videos. But that's it for now. Bye.